New Mexico Broker Basics, page 28. Scope of authority. Those acts that a seller authorizes a broker to perform while acting on behalf of the seller during the term of the listing agreement are known as the scope of authority. New Mexico property law requires a written agreement before working on behalf of the seller to collect a commission. In a typical listing agreement, the broker is usually authorized to perform the following tasks: find a willing and able buyer, place a sign on the property, place the listing in a multiple listing service MLS, advertise and show the property, accept earnest money deposits on behalf of the owner, receive offers from purchasers on behalf of the owner. The listing agreement should address the following: cooperation with and compensation to other brokers such as sub-agents, buyer's agents, dual agents, designated dual agents, transaction brokers. All acts the seller authorizes the broker to perform. Normally, the licensee is not authorized to initial changes on offers, to sign contracts, to make contractual decisions for the owner, or to accept or reject offers on behalf of the owner. Licensees should read their pre-printed listing agreements to determine exactly what is expressed in the scope of authority. Licensees performing acts outside their scope of authority could be held in violation of the licensing laws, found in breach of their fiduciary duties, and held liable for damages. Establishing brokerage relationships with sellers. Written employment with sellers can be created by the use of the RANM, Standard Listing Forms. Each form creates a brokerage relationship. The default relationship is that of transaction broker. To create an agency relationship, an agency addendum is added to the contract. The agreement also addresses the compensation to be received by the broker. Compensation is negotiable, not only in the amount of compensation, but also under what circumstances compensation is to be paid. The most common types of compensation agreements are as follows: exclusive right to sell, exclusive agency,